Heat the temperature control platform to 100 degrees centigrade first. Then place the LCD on it. Apply alcohol to soak round the bracket. Bend up the camera part on the bracket and cut it off. Then pull up all sides of the bracket towards the flex cable. Operate gently to avoid damaging the flex cable. Use 0.035 mm steel wire to separate the cover plate. Pull and retract the wires diagonally. Perform a second separation after the first run to ensure complete separation of the cover plate. Use a glue roller to remove residual glue on the LCD panel. Clean the edges first, then the middle. Wipe remaining glue with alcohol until the surface is fully clean. Before lamination, rake clean residual glue and dust on the LCD surface to keep it free of attachments. Take out the touch cover and remove the OCA protective film on the back. Align the camera position of the LCD with the cover accurately. Press gently for preliminary bonding. Then put it into the laminator for formal lamination. Bubbles may remain after lamination. Put it into the defoaming machine for 10 minutes to remove bubbles completely. Dripping alcohol on the IC area. Insert a heat insulation pad behind the IC for protection to prevent the LCD from being damaged by the hot air gun. Heat the IC repeatedly with a hot air gun. Keep the temperature around 180 degrees centigrade. Do not keep blowing at one spot. Then take off the IC. Use a soldering iron and soldering wire to clean the copper plate connected to the LCD IC and the back of the IC. Set the iron temperature between 250 degrees centigrade and 280 degrees centigrade. And clear residual glue around the IC. Proceed with tin planting. Place the IC. Align the stencil holes with the IC and press to fix. Spread solder paste evenly to fill all holes. Heat and cure with a hot air gun. Then take down the IC and check if the solder dots are uniform. Before soldering the IC, and apply some soldering flux. Set the heating table to around 190 C. Place the LCD flex cable on the heating table. Align and place it on the copper sheet. Keep the IC in the original direction during soldering. Stop when bubbles appear around the IC. Align the positioning holes of the small flex cable with those on the IC. And apply some soldering flux, fixed with a soldering iron, and supplemented with soldered wire. Avoid solder bridging until full soldering beads are visible on the cable. Next, solder the main flex cable. Insert a heat insulation pad under the cable for heat protection. Preheat in the flex cable first, and align the position. Apply flux and complete soldering with the iron. Connect the soldered LCD to the corresponding main board. Power on and test it for smooth and sensitive touch.
HZYOO Global Mobile Accessories One Stop.